Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook Messenger account. So if you want to take a break for your Messenger account, the Deactivate is great solutions. You can reactivate anytime you want. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. The first step is to go on your Facebook app, because we first need to deactivate Facebook account, so that we can deactivate it Messenger account. Then go on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner. Then scroll down to find Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. After that, go on Settings field. So now we need to on search bar, and we need to type a personal details, and go on it. So you are come on your account center, and go on personal details field. Now you are come on menu with your personal details, and you need to click on account ownership and control. Then we need to go on deactivation or deletion field, and select the account you want to deactivate. So now you can choose you want to deactivate or delete account. Always is better solutions to deactivate, because you can recover your account, and select the deactivate and go on continue. Now enter your password to confirm you want to deactivate. The next step is to go on your Messenger app. Then click on this 3 horizontal lines in top left corner of screen. Next, go on this little settings button, and scroll down to find legal and policies, and go on it. And on this menu you will see options for deactivate your account. I didn't have because I didn't deactivate my Facebook, so you must have first deactivate Facebook. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.